Okay, welcome back. This is RVing with G, and we're going to cut an inch off of a bolt the safest way I know how. Well, okay, not the safest way. Disclaimer, don't do what I do, blah, blah, blah. Okay, turn down the volume. This is going to be loud. Yeah, don't touch that, don't touch that. But what I did is I put this nut on here so I can twist it off and clean up those ends. Right now it's pretty jacked up. I don't know, it's pretty hot. Probably have to get the pliers on it. And presto, cleaning up the ends. There you go. All right, thanks for stopping by. Hardware tip 101.